Welcome back to Big Joe's Outdoors. We are going to do some weights on the eggs I've been incubating, and then we're going to be adding these three and weighing them and putting them in the incubator. So I'm going to get this open, probably going to knock everything around, yep, like always. Alright, first egg. Meter. 518. 11.2 spinner. Put her back. Same thing with this one. Just gonna lay it here. 529. It's going exactly like it should be. I'll put this one back. Do the same thing. I can fit 9 in this incubator. We're going to be up to 6 when we're done today. 539. Still looks like we're on track. Spin that over and lay it down. I'll move this and just this. And we're going with the first one on the new rack. And that's 569. And we're just laying it in here. Number 2. $5.88. Pin ran off. Oh. 588. And we will be setting that one right there. And the next one, the pretty wood egg. A few that didn't get covered in smooth. 595. 99. 599. 599. 599. That was hard to tell. And we will be putting her in the incubator. So now we officially have 6 set. Oh, shit, I thought I seen a wiggle. I don't think it's time for that. Let's go ahead and put the date on here. 2-522. Alrighty. Alright, that's it. We'll close it up and let everybody get up to temperature, settle in. And that'll be it for this video. I know these videos aren't long, and they're just a way to document what's going on, show the process that I am using, and all hopes that everything comes out and hatches properly and nobody blows up in here. But so far all the eggs are clean, no cracks, they don't feel weird. So that's the thing about turning them by hand, you get to feel weirdness. I noticed it on chickens when I was turning them by hand, that I'd find an egg that fell off, and I would just put it to its own little thing in its own little bucket in this little incubator right here, and it showed most of those. I've never had one of those hatch when you could feel it, but that's just that's a whole thing. So far everything feels good, looks good, and the weights are coming down almost exactly like they're supposed to. So we're not going to adjust nothing. It's only 16% humidity, but I live in Louisiana. It does nothing but rain and cause my yard to be a swamp. So I had to wait today to go get the eggs. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell button, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.